Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automate Google Sheets using AppScript. This is a free tool built inside Google Sheets that allows you to write small commands or simple code that can make your sheet work automatically without you doing things manually every time. So first, open your Google Sheet by going to sheets.google.com and open any sheet. Now at the top, click on Extensions, and from the drop-down, click AppScript. A new tab will open. This is the AppScript editor. Inside this editor, you will see a sample function already written. You can delete that, and now you can write your own automation. For example, if you want Google Sheets to send a notification pop-up every time someone enters something into the sheet, or maybe you want to automatically calculate and update results every morning without touching anything, you can do all that here. Let's do a simple example. Inside the editor, type function myAutoTask, spreadsheet app, get active spreadsheet toe. Automation is working. After typing this, click the blue save icon. Then at the top, click Run. The first time you run it, Google will ask you to allow permissions. Click Continue. Choose your Google account. Then click Allow. Now your script is ready. This is how we test that automation works. But the real power is when we schedule it automatically. To do that, click the clock icon on the left side called Triggers. Click Add Trigger. Now choose the function name you created. Choose the type of event. For example, select Time Driven. Then choose how often you want it to run, maybe every hour or every day. Save it. Now Google Sheets will run that code automatically at the time you selected, even when you are not inside the sheet. That is how to automate Google Sheets using AppScript. Write a simple function, save it, run it once, then use triggers to automate it. This can help you do reminders, auto calculations, auto cleanup, auto formatting, and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.